Operations and productivity. In this section, we'll be looking at summarizing long documents, condense contracts, reports, and meeting transcripts into key points, draft standard operation procedures, create step-by-step operational documentation, automate meeting agendas, generate structured agendas from project goals, create internal knowledge bases, turn company documents into searchable Q&A answers, write project status updates, produce concise updates for stakeholders and teams, generate task checklists, break large initiatives into actionable task lists, improve internal communication, rewrite unclear emails and announcements for clarity, assist with vendor comparisons, summarize feature differences and pricing structures, draft building business plans, create outlines and first drafts for strategic planning, brainstorm process improvements, identify inefficiencies and propose operational optimizations.